Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Today's video is specialized for sellers and buyers at the same time. Since at this moment, orders are basically goes for both. So in here, you should note that in case you would like to check eBay order status, then you would need to actually go ahead and buy something or sell something. Once you get the order as a seller or once you buy something as a buyer, you simply have to go right here to my eBay, and from there you will be able to see everything. Let me show you real quick. So once you get to this area, let's say that you are a buyer. So let's start with a buyer. Now here on the purchases, you will find your orders. On here, you will find the status. And the status basically are they paid or cancelled, returned, processing, and you can literally filter them just by going in here and view them in case you ordered a bag, like a bunch amount of orders or items. On the other hand, in case you are a seller, then go to selling and go to sold. Now on sold, you will find every single order that has been sold throughout the history. You can check here to see and customize the period so you can exactly know what period are you working with. This will last 24 hours, last 7 days, current month, last month, and so go on. Depending on what fit you work with, you'll view every single order and its own status, if it has been cancelled, refunded, or shipped. So this is exactly how you can check your order status. I hope you like this video, guys. Thank you all for watching, and see you guys in the next video.